Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Today I will share some tips and tricks to get more finishes in bgmi. My first tip is to land immediately on the map. Don't wait too long to land. Also, don't land alone. You have to land together with your teammates. Because fighting together is better than fighting alone. Also, if you are a pro player, being with your team during fights with other squads may raise the chance of your team being victorious. What I am trying to say is that you have to help your teammates in battle. Being a lone ranger in squad matches is of no use, and it will hurt your team's chances. The next important tip to stay ahead of the competition is to land near a vehicle. Most pro players will land in hot drops. But after finishing all the enemies, they may have to run and look for vehicles. This is one of the biggest disadvantage which many players face. This will affect your gameplay for sure. Because time is a very important factor in bgmi, wasting your precious minutes searching for vehicles is a big no. So when you are landing, see that you land near a vehicle. Then together with your teammates, go to the hot drop on that vehicle so that after defeating your enemies you could head faster to recall a teammate. The next tip is the most important tip which I will share in this video. Whenever you see an enemy, do not aim at their body. Only aim at their head. Because headshots do more damage and will easily knock down your opponents. For example, in a match, if your opponent aims at your head and you aim at their body, then you will get knocked down. Because shooting in the head deals more damage in the game. Even if your opponent aims and fires 2 seconds later than you, he can still finish you if he is aiming at your head. So always aim at the head. Now I will share my gameplay clips with you. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video. For more bgmi and PUBG videos, subscribe to my channel.